53 Chevy Bel Air convertible. Just did an LS3 swap on it. It's had a small block before. It was old 80s build. And now we're just redoing everything modern back to the 2000s. It's got a full Accuair air ride, E-level off steel wheels. We did complete Willwood brakes. It's got the interior's getting redone now. This is a 50 Chevy Fleetline. It's got a 500 Cadillac big block in it. This one I also did the full air ride on, basic air ride. We did the full 3-inch pipe all the way back. This is more of a cruiser, even though it looks like a race car, but it's more of a cruiser car. It's loud, it's fast.
And over here?
This is a 71 Chevelle. We also did an Ls1 Swap on it. Had a 468 big block before. So now we're doing it a really reliable Chevelle. It's a 5.3 off of a 04 Tahoe. 4060 tranny, fully electronic, everything.
And the interior looks really nice as well.
Interior's clean, all original. This is another, like a street car, cruiser.
And over here, what do we have?
This is a 53 Chevy 3100. We're also doing an LS swap on this one here. About a year and a half ago, I did the full air ride on it, full Accuair mob steel wheels. So this time it's just an LS swap on it, a 5.3 off of an 04 Tahoe as well. This is all flat black with a pinstripe around the whole truck.
We did a video about this one not too long ago.
Yes.
And we talked about it more. We went more in details. This one is very nice. And over there you have your car.
Yeah, my car is a 41 Chevy coupe, full air ride. Also has LS on it. Full leather interior, was redone a couple years back.
Is this your daily?
It could be. I don't daily it, but it could be. This is an 05 5.3 motor, AC, full AC system, full Accuair air ride.
This is very nice.
I've owned this car for about 7 years, and I've had it built for about 6 years. 6 years ago is when I built this car.
And this car is originally from Miami?
This car was from Alabama. Original from Alabama. I bought it all original, had 50,000 miles original. It's I'm second owner of the car. I still have all the paperwork and everything from the first owner. I bought it all original, and within a year of having it, I took it completely apart and redid complete frame, suspension, motor, transmission, AC, interior. So pretty much the only thing old is the body. The undercarriage is painted nice. It's, you know, it was all redone. This Ford is a 51 Ford F5. Yeah, this is a project of my own that I'm doing. It's gonna be on a different frame with a Cummins 6BT Cummins in it. The truck is staying like this, rusty, but we're doing all full suspension, air ride, Cummins motor.
Very nice.
It's gonna be more of a shop truck.
I cannot wait to see how this one is gonna come out. And I see that over here we have another 3100, no?
Another 3100. This is a 54 Chevy 3100. I worked on this truck about 4 years ago. I did full suspension on it, and now it came back for AC. We recently did the power windows, one-piece power windows. And I just got to finish the AC, and that's pretty much it.
Very nice.
This one as well has a 5.3 04.
Very clean one. We also did a video about this one last time we met.
This is a 50 Mac truck. It's It's also sitting on a Dodge 3500 frame with the Cummins motor in it. Really good truck, runs and drives awesome, strong. We recently did the suicide doors on it.
Oh, you did? Oh, I didn't have that when we met.
No,
That's nice.
the last time, no. So now it's got suicides. It's got one-piece windows. Now we're doing the power windows on it. This one, well, I got it with no motor. Customer had this car for many years, and he brought it to me with no motor. And we did an LS on it, 5.3. It's a 5.3 with the whole front of a LS3, just to make it a little bit more compact. This car is also going to have AC. We did suspension and full disc brakes all around. This car is more of an original car, just with an LS in it to make it reliable. Digital Dakota dash and AC, so he can drive it.
Nice. And then on top, what do we have?
On top is a 50 Buick Fastback. This one's pretty much a full restoration, full air ride. It's got an LS3 in it, LS3 motor. It's gonna be more of probably a show car. It's a full build frame off restoration. The floors were all redone healed. We sandblasted the car by the bottom, the frame, got everything painted and right aligned.
Yeah. When you say frame off, what does that mean?
That means that we took the whole body off the frame and sent the frame to get painted, sandblasted and painted. The air ride got all done. The air ride was done before the car got here. The mock-up of the air ride. Now everything has to be wired up and put back together. The LS3 I'm doing here, full electrical. This is an LS3 from a 2014 Camaro SS.
Wow.
With the billet pulley system on it, and that's more or less the color we're going with to keep it more of an old school flat. It's gonna be like a flat brown.
I like that. I like that color. I like that color. Very nice, man. If anybody wants to contact you, where can they find you?
They can reach me through Instagram at Florida Hotrods. They can reach me through Facebook at Florida Hotrods as well. Or they can get my phone number, 305-796-2024.
Awesome.
Or you can also reach me on Google. If you look up Florida Hotrods, I'm on Google there. My hours, my email, everything's there online.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.